Hi, welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. And this Tesla, which we just got, how many weeks ago, Carly? 2 weeks ago? Tesla Model X?
I think so.
We are planning to take this baby on epic road trips. We are going to be putting a lot of miles on our Tesla. Starting in June, we're going to be going on a 18-day road trip. There will definitely be a video of that. When we go on our epic road trips, we are not going to leave our cat at home, and we are not going to take our cat Mandy to the vet for boarding, because I don't like to do that for longer than a week if we can avoid it, because she doesn't get a lot of space.
No, she's in a crib like 24/7.
She's in like a tiny little cage. So what we're doing is we are going to, I ordered a pet travel crate off of Amazon. We have not opened the box yet, but we have plans for our road trips to turn the third row seats
Not sure if you can see
Tesla into like a kitty apartment for Mandy, so that when we go out on road trips, we'll be able to have her in the car with her litter box and her bed and her food and water. And very important point that I want to make, a very special feature with the Tesla is climate control. So when we go for lunch, or when we stop for charging, or we run into a store or something.
Like a Target or Pink store.
Like a Target, or if we happen to just run into a Pink store in the middle of like rural America,
Yep.
we would definitely stop there.
We should stop at Mall America now.
Ooh, I think that's a little bit out of our way. But there's a feature in the car called climate control, so that I can leave the air conditioning running even while the car is locked and turned off, so that we can maintain an appropriate temperature for Mandy. We'll certainly try to park in the shade, but we'll maintain an appropriate temperature for Mandy in the car at all times. But this video is really...
Can you tell who Mandy is who? Because I
thought I already said that Mandy's our cat.
Oh. Yeah.
Mandy is the cat they'll be riding in Lucky the Tesla. Do we have all the characters
Yes.
of
And
this video
also
straight
give
now?
this video a like if you have a cat or are a cat person.
Or if you like the Barry Manilow song Mandy, you might as well like this video as well. Okay,
That's my mom.
So the first thing we're gonna do actually
Is tape measure.
is, before we open the box, we're gonna get to the box. We're gonna open the Tesla, and we're gonna get the back seat ready. We're gonna recline down the third row seats. And I wanna show you how to do this, because when we first got Lucky, I didn't know how to do this, and I had to search a YouTube video.
Didn't you ask Dad?
Dad didn't know how to get the third row seats down in the Tesla.
Oh.
So no, I didn't ask Dad.
You asked Dad.
I went to YouTube. All right, so let's open up the button I was pressing to move the seat forward. Okay?
Which is the one you were using
I
to...
was pressing this one forward.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's a deer.
Hi, dear.
Wait, show the deer. I don't think the
That's
the
our
deer
pet.
have seen a Tesla before.
I'm joking, that's really not our pet.
Hey, we'll take care of you in a little bit, okay? But
He's... Quick little break, and now we're back in business.
yeah, we had to do something to distract the deer. We're not going to say what we did, but we just couldn't have any deer like crawling into the Tesla. This Tesla's a no deer zone. Okay,
Yeah.
so anyway, now we've moved the seat forward. Oh, here's Dad. I hope he doesn't park in our video. Can you park down there? Thank you. Okay.
So many interruptions.
Yes, we are dealing with so many interruptions. Okay, so to lower the third row seats, you push this button here. Can you see where it is? Show them a
move your
close-up
finger. Oh,
of where the button is.
yes. It's
Push that button once, and then twice, and then it comes down. Okay, so come out on this side, and I'll move that seat up.
okay.
Well, over here.
I'm just gonna sit. I'm gonna just sit on this. Might as well. So she just pressed this button again. Oh, what did I do?
Oh, what'd you do?
I pushed it forward. Oopsies.
Okay.
So she
Thank you
did
for
just
not
that.
parking in the middle of our YouTube video. We were just filming. We're filming right now. You want to say hello to TesLUCKY?
This is mommy's hot husband.
Come here, hot husband.
Also known as the money
Money.
of this project.
We got interrupted filming with some deer that came over and wanted to get in Lucky. We distracted them over there. Well, so we thought. They're back.
They're back.
They want
Yeah.
They want.
Okay, So then we do the same thing over here. You getting this on film?
So you
Gotta
gotta press
push
the button.
twice, and then
down.
Carly. This area right here is where Mandy's little travel
But wait, I have a
apartment is
question.
gonna be.
Let's put this back and like let's see where it'll be when I'm sitting here though.
Okay. So the
Mandy's-
first thing I did before I went to Amazon is I measured this space, and it is 38 inches wide. Can you
What's-
get a close up of that, Carly?
Do it in centimeters so the people who don't live in America knows what it is.
Oh, actually, that is 38 inches. That is 38 centimeters.
How many
It's
inches?
how many inches is that? Well, you're in 5th grade. You tell me. How many inches is that?
It is 3 feet and 2 inches.
Right. So how many inches is 3 feet?
Math. It's 38 inches.
36 inches.
36.
That's right. So then you add the 2.
I'm-
38. You're exactly right. Okay.
Hooray!
And then this area right here,
I'll help.
if you can see, this is 2 feet
And 3 inches.
3 inches.
And then 27 centimeters.
Right, so that is 26 inches and 27 centimeters, I suppose. Okay,
So I
and then I measured
The length.
this area, the height. How high is it, Curly?
It
here?
is, move your hand. It looks to be 27 or
filming?
28.
Are you filming me or are you filming the tape
Oh,
measure?
I was filming you. Sorry.
Okay.
It looks to be 28 or 27 centimeters. A 3. Where's the is? I don't know really. 2 feet and 3 or 2 inches. I don't really
Okay,
know.
so that's the space that we're working with.
Yes.
There. It
With our
was-
cat
It
apartment.
was 36 inches by 24 inches.
Are we gonna have anything
By
here?
about 22 inches. The goal is that when Mandy's little apartment is here, we can still open and
And
get
put
in and out
s-
of this. Open this up and see what we got. Amazon is the best, isn't
Remember?
it?
Yeah. I actually recently, yesterday, watched this video where someone tried going without Amazon Prime for Lent.
Oh my gosh.
I know, that's hard.
That's like, wow.
But they survived.
Talk about a sacrifice. 40 days with no Amazon? We
Ooh.
couldn't go 4 days in this house, could we?
No.
All right, can you back up and show this? If this works out perfect, at the end of the video, you can see exactly like how to order this off of Amazon.com.
It'll be
in
the
case
link
you want
with-
to take your cat or your dog on epic road trips.
Or even your hamster, your turtle, your snake, your dolphin. I'm joking with dolphin.
Okay, I don't know about all that. But
Well, some people have pet snakes. So
yeah, but I don't
they want to
think-
bring it on road trips. They don't want to have to
I
board
know,
a
but I don't
snake.
think snakes need all this. I don't know.
Yeah, I think
I
they-
don't know what snakes need, actually.
Well, a hamster needs
Never
that.
had a pet snake.
Me neither. Okay, your pet goldfish can fit in there.
Okay, so here's the instructions. So hopefully this is pretty easy. There's
If it does
something
end
here
up working.
that I want to show on the thing. It has ventilation on all 3 sides and the top, and you can get your animal in and out from the top or the side. And as you can see here,
It's huge.
it is collapsible.
Which
So
will
when
come in
we're not
handy.
on our road trip, we will pack it up and we will put it in the house. And hopefully this is like easier than like a kid's playpen to set up.
Well, you might have to put some stuff in it to
Well, let's
sturdy.
see. Well, yeah, I don't. Maybe it should. I would think it would like snap in place. It's kind of like an army green. I think Mandy's gonna like this.
It's camo.
It's almost like a camo green. Yeah.
Should we?
All right. So this one
do-
seems to be staying up pretty good.
We might have to get Mandy and test her
We
out.
might have to get Dad to help us figure this out.
Come on, Dad.
No, actually, no.
Mom did it again. High five. We don't need men. Well, we do, sort of.
Sometimes we need men.
But for
not all
things
the
like
time.
that, we got this.
All right, but now I wonder how do we
make it stay up?
make it
I'm tired. I'm not
stay
hungry.
up? All right,
stop.
go get Dad and see if he can help us.
Hot man! Best proof shot. I know. Incredible.
We need a man's help, please. So how do we get the how do you think we get the sides to
Oof, it's windy.
stand up? It's always windy in Big Pine Key. It's part of living on a little island
What's
in
this?
the middle of nowhere.
This gel stuff is. 'ASMR.
Yeah, look at that. Gosh, she is
Smart.
the brilliant mind of an engineer.
That's,
Yay, Daddy!
that's because he built a boat.
That was significantly easier to set up than a child's playpen, right, Storm?
Absolutely.
I remember my playpen.
There you go.
Okay, you want to see if it fits? Here, let's follow Dad.
I'll come in through my door.
I assume Mandy will want to have the opening, or
Yeah, I think that will work. So
Looks like it fits to me.
there you go. Yeah, it's perfect. Look at that.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we need
To show the climate
her,
control.
Litter box and her bed in here. And you see how easy it is to move it around?
Yeah.
This is really handy. I've totally taken this.
Are we taking this home?
Show how this opens, Carly.
Oh, so pretty much if you want to put your cat in from the side, there's this zipper.
Or a dog, certain small
Or
dogs.
or pet snake if you want to play with him while your daughter
Her
wants to play
grandma
with
loves the fact you keep bringing up snakes in this video.
him. Love ya. And it's really roomy. Let's see if I can fit my head in here.
I bet you could fit in here.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to. Oh, sorry, you guys. Record me. Sorry, my hair's a mess. I'm gonna see if I can fit.
Oh, you get on camera after all with your messy hair. Let's see if you can fit in here.
I might. Maybe.
By the way, we do not endorse putting children in pet crates. This is just a silly little spontaneous
I'm doing
prank
this
we're
on
doing.
my own will.
But we do. It's on Carly's own will, and we don't
I can
suggest
actually fit.
traveling with your children like this.
I can actually fit in here. That's why I have this.
So we got the smallest litter box that we could.
Can I? Here.
It has
I love that it has a
lid,
door
and
because
it has a little door.
so when I'm not sure if anyone lives in Florida, but Hurricane Irma hit, and we had this pink litter box and it was open, and it smelled. It was disgusting.
when we evacuated Hurricane Irma, we had a litter box without a lid, and as Carly indicated, that was a big mistake. It was messy, it was smelly. We don't like that. So
Well, even though she
this
didn't
is a
use
pretty
it in the
good
car,
size.
she used it at the hotel.
I know, but this is a pretty good size. We've already got litter in it, and we're going to put this inside
Here, I'm gonna zip this up.
these little cartons.
I know, I'm gonna.
This is so perfect. Okay, so here's Mandy's favorite bed.
She's always sleeping on this.
It's gonna fit
Are we
right
gonna put-
here.
Yes.
And then I have something here that we can put the food and the water here.
So pretty much, Mom went to go get Mandy, our cat, to test it out. She's probably not gonna be super happy, but it's okay. She will have so much fun, I bet. She's gonna sleep. She's gonna get to go to poop. Oh, I think she's here
I
now.
can't find the new food bowl, but I found Mandy. Hey everybody on YouTube, this is Mandy. Mandy, say hi to YouTube.
What type of cat is she, Mom?
A mix, a mutt.
And how old is she?
She is 11 years old.
Let's zip it up. Oh, so
Mandy, this is your new road trip apartment. What do you think?
I'm gonna come over here and watch. Oh, I think she thinks we're leaving because whenever she's in a crate, she knows we're leaving.
Yeah, but this crate is way
Oh,
bigger
no.
than the travel container that we have been using. So let's open this up so we can get a look at her. Look at how much.
Mandy.
What do you think, Mandy? Is this gonna do?
She wants to get out. I know. I can tell
I know
you
she is confused, but she travels very well in the car, and she will settle in. And as you can see, she's got room here to move around. We give this a thumbs up. I
think so. Link in the description if you want to buy this for your dog or cat. Link will be in the description, right?
Yeah, I will. I'll put an Amazon link in the description. That's a good idea. Sales of these things, probably go through the roof.
I didn't know that was a thing. Mandy.
Peace out, Mandy. Okay, so we're gonna get in the Tesla and we're gonna show the climate control because that's a really important part of traveling with a pet, because you never ever want to leave a pet in a hot vehicle. You want to make sure the air conditioning is on. So now we have on the AC in the car. It's a very warm day. It says it's 88 degrees
That's hot.
outside. Yeah, it is quite hot. Hi, Mandy. Okay, so here's where you do the climate control. You go into keep climate on. Climate will turn off after you leave the car. That's with it off. And now it says climate will stay on after you leave the car and turn off when battery reaches 20%, because obviously it is going to drain on the battery life when we have to step into a store, or we've got to, you know, do
So
something.
how about you leave the car and kind of turn it off, and then I'll show what happens. Well, because right now they know you're in the car. So
Okay.
how about you leave?
Okay, so I'm gonna leave. Hey Carly, that's a really good idea for a demo. Okay, so we're turning the air down to 70 degrees, and I am gonna leave you and Mandy in the car. Look at Mandy, she's looking so cute. Hi, sweetie. You ready to go across the country?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna leave, and I'm gonna come back in like 30 seconds, and you tell me if the air conditioning stays on.
Got it.
Okay. All right, this is
You
good.
gotta say hi to Daddy.
I'll go say hi to the handsome man, and I'll be right back.
Yes.
Okay.
Looks good. Still air. Stuff. How was your visit?
It was good.
So everything it's normal. The air stayed on.
The air stayed on?
Yes.
And the temperature stayed low?
Yep.
So what do you think, Mandy? Do you give this a pause up? Pause up for the new Mandy Tesla apartment?
She licked it. I think she likes it.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to close out this video with thanking everybody for watching TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the many adventures of Lucky the Tesla. This video today was sort of about getting ready for the adventures, because there's epic road trips coming on this channel. So be sure to like our channel, subscribe,
like.
click the bell. What else do they have to do, Carly?
Subscribe, hit notification, follow social media that TesLUCKY is going to have. Link will be in the description.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you want to share it with.
That's right.
Also,
Tell all
share
your
this-
friends about TesLUCKY.
Share this friend who you know has a Tesla and is traveling with a pet.
And you know what? This pet crate could work in other SUVs, not just Teslas.
So
but
if
with
you
the
know a
Tesla
friend with an
Model
SUV
X, we measured it precisely, and I couldn't be more happy with the purchase. So we're
So-
gonna put the information in the end of this video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. We love the A4 Pet Soft Collapsible Dog Crate with leak-proof bottom for indoor or travel use. I'll put a link in the description to Amazon. 36-inch model is $71.99. They have 2 smaller sizes, and it's eligible for Amazon Prime. Thumbs up from TesLUCKY for this product.